Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome new problem which says the differential equation this determine a family of circle with. So, according to them, this differential equation represents all the information that is being carried by the function, the curve. Okay, so you have to find out the curve and later you have to respond accordingly. So look at this, we have to solve this differential equation to find out the family of curve. Okay, so how we will respond? So my idea is, first we will try to apply first filter, that is variable separable method. Means we will keep x thing together, y thing together. So if you'll observe, you have all y thing together, correct? So we can respond, means here we can apply variable separable method. So I will send all y thing on one side. Okay, so we have y by root over 1 minus y square dy equals to dx. Is that okay? Now what we will do, we will integrate both sides. Now you know that while doing integration we majorly use uh, like substitution we used to use, है ना? So if you'll observe inside root, if you'll observe, look at this the most ugliest part is root thing. So whatever is written inside the root, I will treat them as z, and to get rid of this root I will be using z square. Okay, so that we will get rid of that root as well. Okay, now we will differentiate our function with respect to y. So we got 2z dz by dy, and we have minus of 2y. Now you can play fruit ninja, this thing done. So I can write z dz equals y dy with minus sign. So look at here, you have y and dy. So can I apply the replacement? So I will be writing minus of integration z dz in place of y dy, and this root was what? So that thing will become z. So like 1 plus y square is z square. So if you will remove root, you will be having z. So done. And this side integration of dx will become x. So this thing gone. Is that okay? Now my idea is, let's do the integration this side as well. So we have uh, this thing, means our integration will become minus of z, and this is x, and plus integration constant c. Now look at this, how we will approach. So in now they have given you question in terms of x and y, but you have wrote the answer in terms of z and x, correct? So you have to replace z. So who is z? Z is minus of root under 1 minus y square, correct? So apply the replacement. Now what I will do, I will remove this root because I am not able to understand which curve is like this equation is representing. So I will be doing squaring both sides. So we will be left with 1 minus y square equals x plus c whole square. Now be super slow. I will keep this thing variable one side, means x plus c whole square plus y square equals to 1. Now do you think it reminds you of something? Yes, it is circle whose center is minus of c comma 0 and whose radius is 1. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in next session of MathFlix.